NaxToCell, optimize your analysis, query and extract data directly from Excel. NaxToCell integrates as a tool within Excel, allowing you to perform queries directly from the spreadsheet without needing to open other post-processing programs. With NaxToCell, you can query your files and extract detailed information efficiently. The types of information you can extract include elements, adjacent, attached, by face connected to node, and elements with free edges. Nodes, node connectivity. Materials and properties. Nastran and OptiStruct card information. Load cases and increments. Results, components, and sections. Parallelization of results extraction. Envelopes and derived load cases. FreeBody FAMP, and much more. Working with NaxToCell is very simple, as all its functions follow the same logic as those in Excel. You fill in the required arguments in a similar way, and all NaxToCell functions return matrices, meaning you work with them just as you would with matrices in Excel. One of the main advantages of NaxToCell is that if the file undergoes any changes, you can select the updated file, and the results will automatically refresh on the screen. Additionally, it allows you to create your own Excel template, which you can then easily share with the rest of the team. Discover the full potential of NaxToCell and extract results directly from Excel, streamlining your workflow.